You failed the real estate exam. You failed it once, maybe twice, maybe even 3 times. Don't let that take you away from your goals. Many of you guys get upset about the real estate exam. It's just difficult for you. And that's fair. It can be upsetting to fail when you're trying to do something. But you have to remember, being in real estate is a war of attrition. Who gives up first? And you cannot be one of those people. And there's different ways to go about this. When you're studying for your real estate exam, if you're not having success with it, you could, for one, start preparing for your real estate career after you pass, because you will pass. Start thinking about what your website will look like. Start promoting yourself as somebody who loves real estate, who likes looking at properties, and when you're passed, be ready to go. Why do I say this? Because a lot of people pass the first time with ease, no problem at all. Then they pass, and the first question is, now what? They send me a message, say, what do I do now? And my thought is, well, what did you think you were going to do before you were studying? They just passed without no clue of what was to come next. Do you think that person is going to be selling homes faster than somebody who maybe failed 3, 4, 5 times, but along that path of studying, they were preparing for themselves to be ready to go once they pass? Not really. You have to understand it's going to take time to establish your presence, become familiar with the area, regardless if you pass or not. So might as well use that time while you're studying to think about what you're going to be doing, because you will pass. I want to say it again. You're going to pass at some point. And there's people who failed many times, but the moment they pass, they're selling immediately. And there's people who pass the first time who take years to sell or never sell at all. So you got to understand that whoever sticks with it, you stick with it, you learn from your mistakes, you learn how to evolve, and eventually you'll have the career you desire, or maybe even one you never even thought of before. I never thought I'd be teaching for the real estate exam when I started, but I kept with it. I kept consistent. I kept going to open houses. I kept networking, and different opportunities came up in this field, which is a huge field. There's more opportunities in this field than you could even imagine. But the key is, don't let obstacles deter you. And the initial obstacle that most people face is passing the real estate exam. And if you fail it once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times, I don't care. Stick with your goals, stick with your plan, and understand that the long-term gains will make your life so much better.